Hey guys, how's it going? How to save WhatsApp messages as drafts. You could just go ahead and click the WhatsApp message at the bottom, right? And let's say, for example, I'm sending a message to a friend and I'm afraid that this message would disappear. If I close the window or if I close WhatsApp. So let's say, for example, I'm gonna message my brother, right? And I'm gonna say, hi, do not forget the grocery, for example, right? And I learned a little trick. You could just go back, and as you can see, the message would not disappear. Even if you close WhatsApp and reopen it again, you won't face that problem, okay? And you can go ahead and continue typing your own message, okay? And publish it whenever you want, okay? You can also click the plus button to add photos, location, contact. If you want to share contact with that person, you're going to be able to share it. As you can see right here, it's saved automatically as a draft. So write down your message, and don't worry about saving it or fearing that it might get lost. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.